Statistical method used to making decisions about the population based on sample data. It involves testing an assumption hypothesis about the population parameter and determining whether there is enough evidence to reject it. Here's the 5 types of hypothesis testing. Number 1. Parametric test. Assume a specific distribution, usually normal. Z-test. Used when sample size is large and population variance is known. T-test. Used when the sample size is small and population variance is unknown. One sample t-test compares the sample mean to a known population mean. Two sample t-test. Independent t-test compares means of two independent groups. Paired t-test compares means of the same group before and after a treatment. ANOVA means analysis of variance. Compares means across more than two groups. One-way ANOVA tests one independent variable. Two-way ANOVA tests two independent variables and their interaction. Chi-square test, used for categorical data to test independence or goodness of it.
Number 2. Non-parametric test. Do not assume a specific distribution. One-way you test. Alternative to the test for independent samples. Fully constant rank test. Alternative to the paired t-test. Crucial release test. Alternative one-way ANOVA. Feynman test. Alternative to repeated measure ANOVA.
Number 3. Proportion and association test. Chi-square test. Test relationship between categorical variables. Fisher-Exact test. Used instead for the chi-square test when sample size are small. Z-test for proportion compress. Proportion between two groups.
And regression test. Person correlation test. Measures linear correlation between two continuous variables. Spearman rank correlation test. Measures correlation for rank or non-normally distributed data. Regression analysis test. Relationships between dependent and independent variables.
Number 5. One-tailed versus two-tailed test. One-tailed test for a difference in one specific direction. Two-tailed test for the difference in either direction. The choice of hypothesis test depends on factors like sample size, data type, and assumption about distribution.
Here's the 7 steps of hypothesis testing. Step number 1. State the null and alternative hypothesis C. Null hypothesis assumes no effect or no difference, status quo. Alternative hypothesis or represents what we want to prove there is an effect or difference. Step number 2. Choose the significance level. The significance level is the probability or rejecting when it is actually true. Common choices 0.5%, 0.1%, 1%, or 0.10%.
Number 3. Select the test statistic based on the type of data and hypothesis. Select a test statistic, Z-test, T-test, chi-square test. ANOVA. Use a Z-test if a sample size is large and population standard deviation is known. Use a t-test if the example size is small and population standard deviation is unknown. Step number 4. Compute the test statistic. Calculate the test statistic using the formula based on the chosen test. Example, for a Z-test. Sample mean, population standard deviation, sample size.
Step number 5. Determine the critical value or p-value. Use statistical tables or software to find the critical value based on or compute the p-value. The p-value tell us the probability of obtaining the observation result if it's true. Step number 6. Compare and make decision. If p-value reject, significant result. If p-value fail to reject, not enough evidence to support.
Step number 7. From the conclusion, interpret the result in the context of the problem. Example, there is sufficient evidence at the 5% significant level to conclude that the new drug is more effective than the old one.
Here's the examples of hypothesis testing, Z-test. Problem statement. A company claims that its light bulbs last 1,000 hours on average. A researcher tests N equals 40 bulbs and finds the sample mean is 980 hours with a population standard deviation of 50 hours. At A equals 0.05, should we reject the company's claim? Step 1. Define hypothesis. Null hypothesis, bulb plus 1,000 hours. Alternative hypothesis, bulbs last less than 1,000 hours. This is a left-tailed test because we are testing for a decrease. Step number 2, choose significance level. Step number 3, select the test statistics, since it's known and used as Z-test. Step number 4, compute the test statistics.
Find the critical value or p-value from the z-table. The critical value for equals 0.05. Left-hand test is negative 1.645 since z equals negative 2.53 is less than negative 1.645. We reject p-value from z-table for negative 2.53 equals 0.0056. 57.
Compare and decision. Since p value greater than 0.05, we reject.
Step 7. Conclusion. At the 5% significant level, we have enough evidence to conclude that the bulb lasts less than 1,000 hours on average.